history extending from 1887 to 1892. Crops died, food was at a premium, plagues of locusts, armyworms and rats swarmed across the country, and the cattle died from the rinderpest. Famine, cholera, bubonic plague, associated diseases and starvation took hold, and thousands of people died. By the time the drought eventually broke in 1892, between a third and a half of the human population had died. Nearly 1/3 of our group of Oromo children were orphaned. That is, I'm using the United Nations of orphanhood, that is, they had lost either their mother or their father or both parents. One of them was our young girl, Rishu Jasa, and her two brothers. She was born in 1875, so was about 14 years old when the missionaries interviewed her at Sheikh Othman. Her parents, Jasa and Dingata. Her parents, Jasa and Dingata, both died at the same time when, according to her narrative, quotes, the famine was over all the land at that time, during the prevalence of a sickness which carried away a great many people. After the death of her parents, one of